Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. Hello and welcome to another Parker vs. This is episode 28. The contender this time is my vintage 1970s American Handcuff Company cuffs. These prove tricky to defeat, possibly because of age, or the design. However, the double lock requires 2 movements to unlock. First a little nudge, and then a large sweep to make the bar move. The pawls are not any easier. The combination of a small exposed area and strong spring means that an unusual amount of force at a 45-degree angle is required. If you are wearing the cuff, this is alleviated by leaning your wrist against the bell, helping it unlock. A tricky cuff, but Parker 28, cuffs 0. Thanks for watching, stay safe and I will see you in the next video.